Okay, let's talk about it. The harsh reality of going raw vegan. I know for many of you, especially if you're on the channel, you're high, you're fully raw even, and you may be even just curious. And there come so many questions around going raw, and I feel sometimes we do sugarcoat it, literally, in the raw vegan space. But I'm here to share with the pros and cons so that you are well equipped, even after a long duration of time. Even I'm still stumbling through some challenges after 5 years of being raw vegan. I mean, I've been vegan 15 years, but fully raw 5 and high raw for way past then, maybe 8 or 9 years. If you don't know who I am, my name's Toni. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, and welcome back to my subscribers. So the harsh reality of going raw vegan. I know everyone loves to glamorize it, and it truly does have a sense of beauty, peace, especially when you get through the challenges, which I'm going to discuss today, but I'm going to share both sides. Many show the Instagram bowls, the foods that you can eat, the abundance, the beauty of these raw living foods, the retreats, the perfect skin, the energy you get from the raw lifestyle. But not many of us talk about the roller coaster. This process is not linear, which many expect. Anything we do in life, for many of us, I would say most of us expect that it's a linear process, but it's not. It's messy, totally messy. We have emotional detox. We have cravings. Even the social awkwardness, the reality of learning, or should I say unlearning, years of habits and addictions. So here we go with the pros and the cons, the truth, the reality of going raw vegan. And by the end, if this path calls to you and you feel you need real personal support, like I did, like many others have got the mentorship, got the support, I do offer one-on-one coaching. And that's all in the description box below. Let's start with the good, the pros, the magic. Energy like you've never felt before. Not hyped up caffeine energy, clean, steady, powerful, natural energy. Weight starts to fall off naturally, not because you're starving, because your body finally feels safe to let go. Skin, digestion, mental clarity, insane improvements. Your digestion literally runs like a dream. No more bloating, gas, or weird pains after eating. Main one for me was the spiritual clarity. If you really want to deepen your spiritual practice, this is the way to go. You start hearing yourself for the first time in years. It's not just a diet, it's a remembering. It's a remembering of who you are. No more numbing, no more distracting, no more sedation from these heavy, toxic foods that we have been consuming. That society condition us to say it's good for us, it is okay, and they're not. When you really look into these foods, they're not even foods that are serving us for our highest good. They are burdening to the body, not even just the physical body, but to the mind, to the soul, to our spiritual body. Cons, the harsh reality. And this is why I would say most people give up. Detox symptoms. You'll feel worse before you feel better. Headaches, mood swings, skin breakouts. It's your body dumping trash it's been storing for years. So it's time to let that go. Release, release, release. In the long term, you're going to feel so much better and glad you did. Emotional detox. Food was your escape. Now the emotions you've buried for years come up. That's why this isn't just about food. It's inner work. Social pressure and isolation. People will judge you. Family dinners get awkward. Friends won't get it. You'll feel alone sometimes. I've been there. It's not easy. But when you take ownership, when you accept and value what you're doing is your truth, that starts to go. People don't really question you, especially when you're cemented, knowing this is your path. That can take time though, so be patient. It can get obsessive. If you're not careful, you can swap one unhealthy attachment for another. You need to stay grounded in why you're doing this. I see some in this lifestyle that have come from eating disorders, not just eating disorders, but this is an example. Sadly, they are masking it with the lifestyle and not eating enough, not eating in abundance, and start to restrict and start going obsessive. Like, this is a journey, an evolution. You start tweaking things, you start taking things out, but it should never be about completely removing, straight away restricting. It's a process. Now, why would you want to work with me or have a coach instead of just Googling? You can find all the recipes, you can find lots of support online, and even a Facebook group, which I do have a Facebook group. I've lived this. I've gone through it before you. I've gone through 15 years. I've been in wellness for over 20 plus years. I've been evolving, refining, fine-tuning a lot since then. I know what it's like to binge eat at night, overeating, feeling disgusted, wake up saying you'll never do it again. It's a fresh start. I'll start next week, next Monday, and then not stick to it. I've experienced the grief of loneliness, using food to soothe and comfort. I've self-sabotaged the detox symptoms. Yes, literally pretty much all the detox, or most of the detox symptoms you can think of. I've gone through it. Rashes, bloating, gas, headaches, definitely emotional turmoil. And I know how to navigate this emotional roller coaster, not just the food list. My work isn't cookie cutting meal plans. It's about rewiring how you think, behave, the actions you take, the thoughts behind your actions, the food, your body, your worth. We work through the triggers, the cravings, the moments you want to quit. I have clients that have been with me for many, many years. Hello, Nancy. Oh, Nancy wants to join us. Can you see? I'm here to be your cheerleader, to be accountable, to get the results, to be the change. I'm just the guidance. If you're finally ready to feel free in your body, experience clarity in your mind, and reconnect with who you really are, not what the world has told you, not what the family's told you, not what others have told you. Reconnect truly to who you are without all that noise. I'm here. If you want that support, reach out to me. It's all in the description box below or at rawliciousyou.com. No judgment, no perfection. Real, honest advice from someone that's been in the wellness, has studied nutrition and many different practices. I know the plant-based, the raw living nutritious foods is what is going to take you to the next level and give you that edge. Subscribe if you haven't already, share with others, comment below. It really does help support the channel. And also turn on the bell notification to be notified of when the next videos are. Be feel and stay Rawlicious.